The complete installation guide for Logistick's International Strap, the one-way solution for securing light to medium weight, regular or irregular shaped loads in international shipping containers. Before or while loading the freight, determine the best location for installation. Keep in mind that multiple sets of international strap may be needed to safely secure your freight. The international strap is designed to adhere to the peaks of the container walls and should be placed an equal distance from the floor and 6 feet or about 2 pallet rows before the end of the load. The void between the freight and the wall needs to be 3 inches or less. This placement is critical because it helps maximize the shear strength of the international strap. The entire application area must be clean and dry to ensure proper installation. Use a dry cloth and, if needed, a scraper and rubbing alcohol to remove loose dirt, dust, condensation, or frost from the application area. The international strap needs to be positioned so the entire adhesive surface of both wings make direct contact with the container wall. The handles, which are the anchor points, must be directed toward the end of the load or in the direction the freight could move. To install the first international strap, remove the tape backing from both wings and place it in the desired application area on the wall. Press firmly against the wings of the international strap to assure that the tape bonds to the wall. Repeat this procedure for the second international strap on the opposite wall, making sure that it's positioned at the same height and at least 6 feet before the end of the load. Important: once the international strap is installed, it cannot be repositioned. 2 pieces of banding and 3 buckles are recommended with the international strap system. To determine the proper cut length for each piece of banding, be sure to include the distance from the international strap to the end of the load, plus the full width of the container. Next, attach the banding to each international strap handle using a buckle, as demonstrated. Using tape, temporarily secure the 2 pieces of loose banding to the container wall so they will be out of the way and accessible after the freight is loaded. Once the remaining freight has been loaded, pull the 2 pieces of loose banding around the end of the load and use a buckle to fasten the pieces of banding together in the center of the load as demonstrated. Corner protectors may be needed to prevent the banding from damaging the packaging. After buckled, pull tight and, if needed, use a banding tensioner to secure the freight.